Welcome to another episode of Let's See What Happens. My truck won't start now. I don't know what happened to it. I was just driving like normal and it just conked out on me. It happens to everything. I don't know. Thanks for coming to watch another video. I have been away a while. I hope y'all are here still to watch me and watch what's going to happen today. I'm going to take, and nothing special in today's video, I guess special for other people anyway. I'm going to take and just shoot a bunch of Tannerite. And it's been very, very muddy and rainy the last couple days here. Finally have not a dry day because everything's still muddy, but it's not as rainy today. And so I'm going to take, and my pond is full to overflowing. I'm thinking about shooting some Tannerite in the pond and see what happens to the water. Come join me. Let's see what happens. I don't know what happened to my table. Everything is covered in mud. I'm supposed to wear these. I left the cover off my optics and everything. Oh boy. All right, right here I have my Radical Arms AR-15, chambered in 5.56. This is a pistol. So it should be fun. Let's do a couple shots without Tannerite, see what it does to the water. Ooh, if that's what it does without Tannerite, I'm gonna get dirty. I'm gonna get wet. All right, Tannerite is gonna make a mess. I'm gonna shoot it from a little bit farther away. All right, this could be fun, let's do it. All right, I've got my microphone adapter and I am going to cover it up with some tape because I have a sneaking suspicion it has a chance at getting a bit wet here. And my camera is supposed to be, I don't know if it is, but it's supposed to be waterproof. This is not supposed to be waterproof. And this costs more than my camera did. So I can't take any chances with this. All right, I have first of all 1 pound of Tannerite in a bottle. I'm gonna test first to be sure that it's gonna float before I just throw it out there. It sure is. All right, let's shoot it, see what happens. All right, I have my APF Arms AR-15 chambered in 5.56. Let's see what happens. My hat's getting in the way. I think I missed. Let's try it again. Definitely missing. My red dot sighted to 100 yards, so I'm gonna aim a little high. All right, I feel like I got water in the bottle now because it's standing up. Yep, we've got water in the bottle, but let's see what happens. All right, I think we lost a bottle of Tannerite. I'm definitely hitting it, but it got water in there, and apparently it won't react with water in it. That's good to know. Let's try this again with another bottle. All right, if at first you don't succeed, improvise. I got a piece of plywood I'm gonna put in here to float, hopefully. Set this on top of it. It's too heavy. I'll be right back. All right, I have a little tiny bucket, 1.5 pounds of Tannerite in a bottle. I'm gonna stick the Tannerite inside of here. That way it'll keep it up out of the water. I think my theory is that the water was slowing the bullet down enough that it wasn't going fast enough to set it off once it hit the Tannerite. So inside of here should allow me to hit the dry bucket. It'll go right through that and then hit the Tannerite, and it should do it. What I'm gonna do here is mark an X on here so I know where I have to hit. All right, if I hit right there, I should be successful. I just got to get it to go out far enough now. All right, I'm just waiting for this bucket to turn around so I can hit it. And I feel like I'm going to get wet. Oh man, that was cool. That was awesome. Wow. There's no fish in the pond, by the way. I just killed them all. No. This pond's completely dry in the summer, so I know there's no fish in there. And in case somebody was worried about that. Let's move it up to something bigger. I know. Yes. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get going. Here we go. Well, thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I certainly enjoyed making it. I enjoyed, it's just so much fun to play with Tannerite and have fun with that. And that was only about 5 pounds. I'm not really going over that much right now because I can't take a chance on causing issues for anybody else. So we're not really going over that right now, but I hope you enjoyed that. If you didn't, hit the dislike button. That's fine. It still helps YouTube to want to promote the video. So otherwise, have fun, and I hope you'll see me next time. Thanks.